friends, welcome back to my channel Ritz Creativity. Every day I bring beautiful videos for you so that you try them out and make your house also look as beautiful as mine is. So friends, today I am going to teach you how to make a wall hanging which is made of paper roses. So let's learn how to make this nice wall hanging. The things that you need to make this wall hanging are: you need to cut out a circle of cardboard which is 30 centimeter in diameter. I have cut it out and I have then put white paper on it and covered it, and I've put little bit strips of paper on it. You can see it's not there behind, it's just in front, the strips of paper. I have used this shade because my roses are going to be in pink and the reddish shade. So we need some roses. Like you can see, I've made these paper flowers. They are in two shades like I told you, and we need there are 7 flowers which we are going to need. And I've also cut out a small circle. This is 10 centimeter in diameter, and I have also used the same paper to just give it a beautiful look. This is very simple to make. Alright, so let's see, we learn how to make this flower. Let's learn how to make this flower. I have just taken a paper, and this square is 10 centimeters. Each side is 10 centimeters. Now I'm going to fold it in the center. Alright, and then again I'll give it a fold. Then I'll again give it a fold. After making this triangle, I'm just going to make it in the shape of a leaf. So there it is. After this, I need to cut out this. So this is what your shape should look like. Let's open. Let's open. Give it another cut here. Let's open. See how beautiful it looks. Now like this, we need 4 flowers. So I have, since I'm using pink color, I have made the same thing in pink. Now what we are going to do, using these 4 flowers, I'm going to start cutting them. In the first flower, I'm going to cut out the one petal, and I will also cut it from here. You needn't bother about this. Second flower, I will cut out 2 petals. Third flower, I will cut out 3 petals. And the fourth flower, I will cut out 4 petals. And then again I have to cut the bottom part of it. So this will keep on the side. So this is what you would be needing. Alright, so now what we have to do, we are going to make the petals beautiful. Bend them, bend them. Again for the next one. This is my
first one, this is my second one. Now the next one. Next one. I have not cut this from down, so I'm going to cut it from down. This too I have not cut. This also I have not cut. So this is what it looks like. Now let's start our work. I've also cut out a circle, a small circle. Now I'm going to apply Fevicol. I have to seal the two edges like this. So I'm going to put little Fevicol here and seal it. This is my first flower. Now the second one. Now the third one. Fourth one. We'll do this later. So let's start. We will start by placing this circle which I have cut. I'm putting Fevicol on this, and we are going to place this right in the center of my biggest. These have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 petals. So I'm going to place this right in the center. Alright, now I'm going to put Fevicol in the next one. So I will place this flower on top of this. After this, I will place this flower on top. After this, Let's keep it here so that it's better, it's visible. So friends, this is what my wall hanging looks like, and you can just attach a string here and then place it on your wall. So I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I've enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.